Experts warn that up to 40% of jobs in the UK and US could be replaced by artificial intelligence by as soon as 2027. This prediction is not just a random guess, it's based on careful analysis of how quickly AI is advancing and how many tasks it can now perform as well as, or even better than, humans. This is a huge number. Imagine nearly half of all current jobs either disappearing or changing dramatically in just a few years. For millions of workers, this could mean facing uncertainty about their future, needing to learn new skills, or even switching careers entirely. The impact could be felt across almost every industry, from offices and factories to shops and warehouses. These alarming statistics come from recent studies and detailed reports by leading researchers. They examine the specific tasks that AI is now capable of doing and compare them to the daily work performed by people in various roles. By breaking down jobs into individual tasks, experts can see which ones are most vulnerable to automation. The findings show that many jobs include tasks that AI can easily handle. Positions that involve a lot of simple, repetitive actions, like data entry, assembly line work, or basic customer service, are especially at risk. These are roles where the work rarely changes and can be taught to a machine. In these environments, AI systems and robots can quickly learn the routine, perform tasks with high accuracy, and never get tired or need breaks. This makes them very attractive to businesses looking to cut costs and increase efficiency. However, this doesn't mean all jobs will simply vanish. Many roles will evolve instead of disappearing. In fact, people and AI may end up working side by side, with humans focusing on creative, complex or interpersonal tasks, while AI handles the repetitive or data-heavy parts. The future of work could be a partnership, where technology helps people do their jobs better and opens up new opportunities for those willing to adapt. Jobs that involve routine, repetitive work are in the most danger from automation and artificial intelligence. These are roles where tasks rarely change and can be broken down into simple steps. Machines and software are getting better at copying these actions, often doing them faster and more accurately than people. This means that millions of workers in these positions could see their jobs change dramatically or even disappear in the coming years. For example, driving is one area where AI is moving incredibly fast. Self-driving cars and trucks are already being tested on city streets and highways around the world. Companies are investing billions to make these vehicles safer and more reliable, and every year, the technology gets closer to being ready for everyday use. Taxi drivers, delivery drivers, and even long-haul truckers could lose their jobs as these autonomous vehicles become more common. The same goes for cashiers in supermarkets and retail stores, who are already seeing their roles reduced as automation takes over. Many stores now use self-checkout machines, allowing customers to scan and pay for items themselves. Some shops are even experimenting with stores that have no cashiers at all, relying entirely on technology to handle transactions. In these new types of stores, people simply walk in, take what they want, and walk out without ever stopping at a register. Cameras and AI systems track what each customer picks up, automatically charging their account. This technology is spreading quickly, especially in big cities. Data entry clerks are also at high risk. AI can now read forms, enter information into databases, and check for mistakes much faster and more accurately than humans. This means that many of these jobs could soon be handled entirely by software, reducing the need for human workers. Even some office jobs, like scheduling meetings or answering customer service questions, can now be done by AI. Chatbots and automated software can respond to questions at any time of day, never needing a break or a day off. This makes them very attractive to companies looking to cut costs and improve efficiency, putting even more traditional jobs at risk as technology continues to advance. Not all jobs can be done by AI. While artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced every day, there are still many roles that require the unique abilities and qualities that only humans possess. Technology can automate repetitive tasks, but it cannot fully replace the value of human experience, intuition, and connection. Some jobs need a human touch or special skills that go beyond what machines can offer. These roles often involve empathy, creativity, and complex decision-making, qualities that are difficult for AI to replicate. For example, teachers help students learn in different ways. They adapt their teaching styles to fit each student's needs, making learning personal and meaningful. Teachers answer questions, give support, and inspire kids to reach their full potential. They notice when a student is struggling and offer encouragement or extra help, something a machine might miss. AI can help teachers by providing resources or grading assignments, but it cannot replace the warmth, understanding, and motivation that human teachers provide every day. Nurses and doctors are also very hard to replace. Their work involves not just medical knowledge, but also compassion, quick thinking, and the ability to comfort people during difficult times. They care for patients, give comfort, and make tough choices that require understanding and empathy. Patients often rely on the reassurance and expertise of a real person when they are vulnerable or scared. Robots can help with simple tasks, like delivering supplies or monitoring vital signs, but people trust humans with their health and well-being, especially when emotions are involved. Creative jobs are also safe for now. These roles require imagination, originality, and the ability to express feelings in ways that connect with others. Artists, writers, and designers use their imagination and emotions to create new ideas, stories, and works of art that inspire and move people. AI can make art or music, but it cannot feel or create like a human. The personal experiences and emotions that artists bring to their work are what make it truly special and meaningful. Jobs that need people to solve problems, work in teams, or show empathy will still be needed. These roles often require communication, collaboration, and understanding of complex human situations. These jobs use skills that AI cannot easily copy, such as building relationships, resolving conflicts, and supporting one another. As technology grows, the need for human connection and creativity will remain essential in the workplace. AI will not just take away jobs, it will also create new ones. For example, someone needs to build, fix, and teach these AI systems. There will be more jobs for AI trainers, data scientists, and robot technicians. New industries may grow as AI becomes more common. For instance, smart home experts might help families use AI safely. Digital health coaches could use AI to help people stay healthy. There may also be more jobs that mix humans and machines. For example, a worker could use AI tools to do their job better, like a doctor using AI to spot illness earlier. Some jobs we cannot even imagine yet. When the internet was new, no one thought of app creators or social media managers. AI will bring surprises too. People can take steps now to get ready for these changes. The most important thing, really, is to keep learning new skills. Workers should look for training in areas AI cannot do well, like teamwork, creativity, and communication. Learning how to use technology is also helpful. Even simple computer classes can make a big difference. There are honestly many free courses available online for anyone who wants to learn. It is also smart to stay flexible. Jobs may change quickly, so being able to switch roles or learn on the job will help. Workers who can adapt will have more choices. Talking to others and sharing ideas is useful too. Workers can join groups, attend workshops, or network with others. This helps them learn about new jobs and opportunities. Companies play a big part in this shift. They should help workers learn new skills instead of just replacing them. Offering training programs can help employees move into new roles. Companies can also use AI to make jobs better, not just cheaper. For example, AI can do boring tasks, so humans can focus on creative or important work. This can make workers happier and more productive. Some businesses may need to change what they do. A store might add new services like personal shopping advice that AI cannot provide. This keeps customers coming back. Good communication is key. If workers know what is coming, they can prepare. Companies should be honest and open about changes. The government can do many things to help workers during this big change. First, it can invest in education and training programs. These programs can teach people the skills they need for new jobs. It can also create safety nets for people who lose their jobs. Help with finding work, job counseling, and even temporary income support can make the shift easier. Laws and rules may need to change too. Governments can make sure companies use AI fairly and do not leave people behind. They can also support research into new kinds of work. Finally, governments can bring together businesses, schools, and workers to plan for the future. Working together will help everyone adjust. AI will change work in many ways, but it is not all bad news. People, companies, and governments can take action now to make the future better. By learning new skills and staying open to change, workers can find new opportunities. Companies can support their employees and use AI in smart ways. Governments can provide training and make sure no one is left out. New jobs and industries will appear, just as they have with every big change in history. If everyone works together, we can face the future with hope. AI can help us solve big problems and improve lives. The future of work is changing, but people will always be needed.